Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be looking at the third 50p coin in the Beatrix Potter series that is being released in 2018. So that is 3 of 4. And these coins are coming out thick and fast this year, and I believe that the 4th coin will be out within the next month. So keep checking the website of the Royal Mint and Westminster Collection for when those drop so that you can buy them in brilliant uncirculated or silver proof. So by here we have the version that you would get from the Royal Mint website, or if you bought this bunk version from Westminster Collection. Westminster Collection also offer their own brilliant uncirculated version, which comes on their classic blue card with change checker written on the back. This version in particular though will cost you £10, and I believe that the Westminster Collection version of the brilliant uncirculated will cost you £3.99. So without further ado, let's get into this coin. So by here, this is the front of the packaging, and here is the reverse. So what I'm going to do now, as usual, is just open up my packaging and show you everything that you get inside so that you never need to open yours, but you can have a read of what is actually in there. So again, the reverse and the front of the packaging, we'll get more into this in a second. But what I'll do for now is just hold each part of the card just long enough so that you can pause it and have a read of all the information for yourself. So this was the 50p coin from the Beatrix Potter 2018 series that I was looking forward to most. I think that it's probably the best design. This was the only one that was actually going to tempt me from going against my decision of not continuing with the silver proof editions. But I have not purchased it. Let me just make sure I get the light properly there. So yeah. What we'll do now is have a look at the coin itself. So by here, we can see the reverse of the coin. Let me just get the light a bit better there. So yeah, really simplistic in design. Like I said, I'm not getting the silver-proof edition, but the silver-proof edition of this coin does look stunning. Now let's have a look at the obverse of the coin. Just make sure I get the light properly on there. So there we can see the date 2018 and the 5th portrait of the Queen. So let's have a look quickly at the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 8.00 grams. The diameter is 27.30 millimeter. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jodie Clark, and the reverse designer is Emma Noble. So let me know, have you got all 3 of these in bunk at the moment? I think it's going to be a while until these show up in circulation because there are still some of the 2017 ones that are still quite hard to find. So I think it might be up to another year until we see most of the new 4 turning up in your circulated coins. But let me know in the comment section below, have you got any of the bunks? Have any of you bought the silver proof editions? Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.